All right, we're back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax. We are continuing the playthrough of Factorio Space Exploration. And we just finished up the energy catalog. But then there was a problem over here with the material catalog where I realized what the issue was is the copper couldn't get out efficiently or fast enough because all the ores are getting loaded onto one side, so this one side was getting a little overclogged, and the copper couldn't get out, plus iron plates coming on this side too. So it couldn't get out quite fast enough, and then this led to just like a positive feedback loop where the ores were overloading on this side faster than the copper could get out and jammed the system. So one solution was to just move it over here so that these pull off and make space for the copper to get on. So that kind of works. But then I'm just going to do an extra thing here and add an extra condition where we're going to just say everything, make sure just that everything is less than like 150, something bit, bigger than most things, I guess, than everything. And hopefully that will prevent this from happening again as well. But yeah, so it's a little bit overloaded on iron even still. And then what I want to do as well is we need to keep the system kind of running more smoothly. So I'm going to go around and just reduce the demand for data cards as well as these signals that indicate the request and provide thresholds. So I'm going to reduce them all down to 1 just so that we don't have to buffer as much for all the data cards because we really need to keep the system running smoothly. And the data cards are constantly being the bottleneck. And so if they just stack up to 1, if anything just stacks up to 1, all the catalogs, all the data cards, then, just allow the trains to come and keep the system moving as much as possible. We will want to just minimize these buffers. And so I hope this, allows everything to go faster and just, keep churning with minimal, delay of these, just building up too many buffers. Plus, like a lot of these things, we only ask for 4 stacks, so just moving 1 stack around with the train is good. Okay, so hopefully that helps. And we keep pushing through the material catalog, just getting breaking force 7 for fun. But of course I want my trains to go faster all the time. Then we can also come over here now and set up the energy catalog. I'm running out of room. Maybe we'll just add another one like that, I guess. But okay, we'll just still do this one over here. Broad energy catalog. And I'm guessing it needs the holmium cables. Okay, hopefully that's what we want. And then let's set it up over here. Change this to the energy catalog, energy science pack level 2. Everything else I think is pretty standard. Should be hooked up, and we'll upgrade you. Nope, this one. And then yeah, we just have to change over the thermofluid. And looks good. Okay. So that should give us the production, and we'll put it on the train. 400. Yes. We're going to do this. Okay. So that should get it going, and then we'll just fly it back to the main space station and ask for it. Okay, then Energy Science Pack 2. And okay, put it on the belt. All right, so that should do that, and hopefully, have we made any progress up here? Did I do the, did I not? Oh yeah, okay, just kidding. So we want to also lay out some scaffolding now, so we can get some going. So we actually need to make the buildings for Astro Science too, so like, let's lay the scaffolding out over here so we can add them. And then where we are over here, we want to also just start laying out some scaffolding. I think we have plenty now. The scaffolding has been pretty reliably just churning away, never stopping. And yeah, hopefully that's enough. We'll see. But then in the meantime, what we can also do is go back to the main hub and check it out. I've upgraded then. I just allocated more space for the vitalic acid because the ratio is just way different. It's like 10 to 1 actually. This is 10 to 2, so I think it's good, and then we'll just do it like this. And then I was looking also at, there's a new recipe we have access to for creating low density structures. Oh, let's just do it here actually. Low density structures out of airframe scaffolds, and if we do 7.5 modules. Yes, so this is like more than LDS than we produce. And so for the other things, I actually just upgraded them. So I took the old builds and just replaced them, or just I had to just slightly change them to use the new recipes. So the iridium heat shielding upgraded, and the blue circuits upgraded with the holmium cables. So these kind of directly upgraded, and you know, they eat almost all of the iridium plate we produce, but it's pretty close. But if we upgraded this, so this is about, we only produce about 3 of these airframe scaffolds in total, and that's kind of all we can really support. And so we only need about 12 of these buildings. But then, you know, there's still space in the main hub for production, so I was thinking we could just actually build the aeroframe LDS in the orbital hub and just put it right here. And just continue to build things here. And I think this is like a pretty solid place to build it, and we can just put it on the train network. There's an extra spot actually right here. It's quite convenient. So you can just start exporting LDS. This needs to say then less than 0. Oops. So then, yes, this should then just put LDS on the train network. I think actually we need to put this here. We need actually this as well. We need all this. Or we could even get this, right? That should be fine. So then this will, we need this power pole. Yes, this will just put LDS on the train network. We'll just build it directly in the main hub. And let's see, we want to stop asking for it then over here. So we'll just turn this off. And we want to then also go to the standard LDS production. And we're going to put the provide priority signal to -1. So that way it will be deprioritized. Great, great, easy peasy. Now we have aeroframe LDS, and that will be really nice on our copper, on our glass. It's gonna be great. So we'll start then building again for Astro Science 2. And I'll just put it here as well. Astro Science 3, I guess it is technically. I always get it confused because of how many stripes are on the little canister thing here. I'm basing it on how many stripes I'm counting. So I keep getting it confused, but you know. Alright, so looks pretty standard, right? Very similar. Gotta make slightly different lenses. Then this actually requires the cryonite slush. Okay, so that's not too bad. But this is almost identical to the previous one. So we can almost copy directly over the previous build. Should apply this to everything, why not? And we could probably get this down to 2. Easy. We'll do that. We could probably get this down to 2 if we really wanted to. And let's see, we have to do, so we need one of these data cards again. Negative pressure data. Wait, we don't have that one still? Right, this is the astrometric one, there we go. And we want the astrometric 3. Let's do that. So we'll just again put all the data cards on circulation, and that's gonna work. We'll get the recycling, we'll get the thermofluid. Easy peasy, it looks like. Kind of a pretty standard build for the thermofluid again, and yeah, it's almost identical, so we can almost just start by copying. We'll just copy it. Copy the whole thing. Copy paste. But let's just not build these because we don't want those. But everything else pretty much can get built. We don't need all this. So we'll relax some of this stuff. Oops, but that's fine. We'll do that. We need to then, just while this is going, hopefully we can start to upgrade this now. So we're gonna just again extend this little section of the main hub. There you go. Turn this like this. Go ahead. Oops. There you go. Spaceship. What you up to? Off to get methane ice. Alright, so then the idea will be to build, we need to build the buildings. So this will be the new telescope, the gamma ray telescope, the radio telescope. They need the airframe poles. We need radars, I guess. Everything else we have. Airframe scaffolds. So we gotta do this chain of airframe scaffolds. 20 here. 10 here. Now we go to the cargo rocket. Ask for them. Just say 500, sure. And they'll eventually get built, I guess, so we'll see. It'll take a while, probably. But they're there on the train network. They'll get on the rocket, should get on the hub. Then I think they'll get built. Should get built, right? Oh, the radars. Gotta do the radars. Radars. I guess, yeah, we don't have radars, right? Are we completely full? Gonna do 5. Then, yeah, I guess we gotta do it. Do it all. Do it all. Oh, there are radars. Nice. Are they buffered out though? I might have buffered them out. It's possible. Oops. Because it could have just been like a logistics. Yes. So they're here is the thing. Okay, so let's just ask for more then. Anyway. So let's just do 500. No problems. Hey, okay, we got a thing here. We got a thing. So we're gonna do it pretty much the same way. Can we get this down? Yeah, okay, yes. This can also go down. Yes. Okay, like that, sure. Okay, then this will be comprehensive. This will be astrometrics 3. This will be negative pressure data, yes. Easy. Of course, you're going to be gamma. You're going to be radio wave. And then the other one is what? Dark matter data. So then we need to bring in the gravitational lensing data from the other section. And this is just a negative pressure data, so okay, it's all good. Yeah, dark matter data. And we need 2 of them. Yes. Okay. Produce broken data cards. Ooh, ominous. So then put on the train network the which one was it? Gravitational lensing data. Okay. There we go. Okay, then we'll ask for it as part of all the things. Yes, very good, very good. Let's start asking for then some of the things even, sure. Well, that's, okay, maybe the trains aren't connected yet, so we could do that. There's then, one other thing we need to do, I guess, we need to build the mirrors. So let's get rid of this. Put that somewhere else. We need to build maybe, let's see, actually it's not going to work like that, huh? We gotta build these gamma ray detector mirrors. So we could just, for the sake of it, put the correct ghost buildings down. So then, oops. Yeah, that's there. And we only need 3 of these. Or I could have, of course, just done this. That's what I should have done. Oops. This. So I think we'll just do, I guess, just these 3. Right, and so we have more space over here. But I don't think we need anything else, right? Oh yeah, we do. We definitely do. So we need then also this. So we need to make the cryonite slush, yes. Okay. Hey, spaceship. Are you back? Hey. Okay, cryonite slush as well. We could just go over here. Well, maybe not. Then maybe we want to, could consider kind of rearranging all of it. because it does need to go here. So here we want to make, I guess it's this gamma ray. So it's more chemical gel. And it's this cryonite slush. But I think maybe, what if we switch this? Make you gamma ray. And then we'll move you. Yeah, we can just move you up here maybe. Maybe it'll be like this. Will this work? This could be for the sulfuric acid, I guess. And can we just, can't quite jam it in there like that. That works. Boop. And you'll go like this. You can move maybe a bit higher. Sure. Boom. Unbarrel sulfuric acid. There it is. Okay, so then this is something. This is gonna work, I think. This will be, yeah, this. And, okay, we also need lube. Can we do both of these with one? Or we just do two things right here, like this, easy peasy. So you're going to be just lube again, chemical gel, boom. Okay, wow, okay. Wasn't that easy? Okay, then we just have to, it looks like we have everything actually. Junk, we've got that, we got mirrors, we got cryonite slush. Then are you ready? Actually, pretty much. You have the wrong inserters, but you also have the right ones. You don't have to output anything. Yep. You're good. Yep. Wow. Okay. Nice. That's good. That's cool. I mean, even these are practically ready. We'll just turn them to the right things. Okay, and then maybe we'll just start asking, yeah, let's just do the trains, start asking for stuff from the trains. Of course, the thermofluid is going to cause us to bottleneck. Oh yeah, I want to start working on this, I want this, give me that. Did I get the accumulators? I think so. This will be good too. Okay, train track, go. Train track, go train track, go train track. Okay, then this part. Okay, let's go for then. Okay, we want all the barrels. These. Thermofluid, chemical gel. Light oil, right? Oops, not that. Oh, Was that it? Lube? Sulfuric acid, actually, yeah. Okay. Lubricant as well. Sulfuric. Okay. Then that means we need sulfuric on the cargo rocket out here. So which one is this? Astro? Yes, we're gonna need scaffold. Not that much. And now sulfuric acid. Okay. It's kind of a lot. Then what else do we need? Beryllium, glass, coal, heat shielding, LDS, steel, kyanite. Yikes. Okay. Beryllium. Can I remember all those things? And of course, we also are going to need these. 1 and 1, I guess. Wow, okay. Is that it? Is that it? Oh, the data cards? Did I do the kyanite? I don't think so. Wait. Data cards. I did the data cards. What did I mean? Oh, no, I meant the gravitational lensing data cards. Yes. Okay, wow. It's a lot of things, but we got them all, I think. At least on the next rocket. Oh, okay, well. Let's do this. I want to do that so that it's easier. So just 10. 20. 30. 10. This is the power of the sushi belt, though. It's kind of fun. 30. Oops. Hello, train. I have no idea. Hopefully this is all fine. Wow. Okay, so many things. It's a lot of things. That's because we have all this stuff. And all this. But, yeah, should be plenty of production throughput for what we're trying to achieve over here. And we'll do this. Gotta do, okay, yeah, here we want these lenses over here. Turn you to gamma ray lenses. Then that's fine. You're looking fine as well. So just gotta do these last inserters. See if we can get it running. Well, we of course need the buildings though. Your astrometrics 3. Oh, we gotta get the other astrometrics data then too. Wow. So we want to then add we have to then add actually all of these things. So just do 100, I think, just so we don't have too much buffer. The other thing I could try to do is just share astrometric data. No, I don't know. That's fine. So we have to ask for all of these. So hopefully have some. Hey, we made some energy science pack too finally. Awesome. The space elevator is working as well, working away at it. We have more science pack 1 and astro science in the buffer too, so that's good. Nice. Sciences. Things are going for sure. How are things looking? Material science is working hard. You are probably bottlenecked by data cards, I'm gonna imagine. Where is the bottleneck? Here. Holmium cable, actually. Okay. It's not too surprising. Probably just needs to stockpile a little bit. Gotta wait for another rocket to come. How are you guys doing? You have some airframe cables. I mean airframe scaffolds, so that's a good sign. I guess they're just still waiting on that. Then, let's see. Okay, we need to get these guys then as well onto the bus. So that's quite a few of these little things. Alright, we have the whole thing filled up. Nice. That's pretty cool. Alright, so can we check on stuff? Is things being good or what? You need to do this. We need to change this. Okay, wait. Okay, so we need to change this a little bit because yeah, so let's just cut these two. These need to go over there. These need to go over here. And then now we can do this correctly. Sure, that's fine. Then well, maybe it's not fine. Because we want to get this going then immediately. Or this want to go here. And then we can do this. No. This. Oh, we don't even, wait. Yeah. No, this, no. This is like this, yes. So this is gonna be two. Can this work? Yeah, I guess it does work. Yikes, okay. It still works though. No, this is wrong. No. No. Because we want then... Alright, we're gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. You're gonna just be fast. I'm just gonna speed you up. I'm pretty sure we don't need... I don't have any speed modules somehow. Putting speed modules everywhere. Oh wait, can I just do this? I should have them. Alright, so let's try this again. So first of all, you're not right either. Oh yeah, you are right. That's right. This is fine. I could flip these, but oh well. Okay, then... Yes, now... Okay, now this is different. This doesn't go here now. And now this can just go down like that. And then it's fine. Now we're fine. Yes, fine. It's fine. We're fine. Okay, this This, however, is not fine. We need to get this over here, the thermofluid over here, actually. So we could just maybe move this. It's not a big deal. Excuse me. There we go. Sure. Boom. Okay, but this should be the cold. Super cold. Why do you contain oil? Okay. Excuse me. No oil, please. That's fine. That's better. Okay. Are you happy? Yes. Sure. Very good. You're almost cooking here. You need LDS? Do we not have LDS? It's possible. Very possible, actually. There is some. Just add a little more, I guess. Hey, we got one of these. There you go. I'm just going to turn this off now, though. I'm going to stop building them. We've already built too many, just so that we can build these guys now. Yeah, just don't want to waste time building more of these. We only got one. All right. Are we looking good? Maybe, kind of. Do we have thermofluid at all going? What's going on? There is some. Okay. Oh, this is here. That's why. Okay. Well. I'd like some of these to maybe turn on. $192. Well, okay. Oh, that's because of barrels. Okay. Barrels, take them off, please. Take off comprehensive energy catalogs. We need to deal with the junk data cards and the scrap. So we'll take off the scrap again, I guess. The main base is having a hard time taking out all the scrap, but we'll just ask it to do more for us. We might have to do something else about scrap. But then we do want to deal with the data cards still. Of course, right? Yes, it needs the thing. Okay, we don't need this. Don't do that. Take those away, please. Okay, well, hopefully this gets going. But, yeah, so we're going to have to wait on these anyway, and can we at least... Oh, yeah, you need... There we go. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Then do we have this stuff going? No cryonite rods. Yes. Did I do that? No, I don't think so. How are you looking? Need cryonite rods. I think they stacked at 200, so why not? 297. How's our main base looking? Okay, we're building some LDS. Still cranking out scaffolding. I think the trains are more than happy though, yes. There you go, have some more scaffolding. Plenty of LDS. Oh, we should actually... Yeah, just go ahead. Build as much as possible. Maybe Just build as much as possible, who cares? Nice. Okay, but then I think, yeah, we might have to take a break here. We have a radio satellite. Oh my gosh. No, let's get it going. Come on, get it going a little bit. What else do we need then? What are we waiting on? Okay, we need more astrometric data cards, I guess. That's one thing. So hopefully that happens. Are these guys working at all? They're working. Okay. What are you doing? You're working. Can I change these? I'm just going to change them to 100. Just so there's less buffer and maybe we can steal some. And that should still be 200 though, I think. Makes sense. So we will want to export them as well, but I'll just do that later. Yeah, I did only 100 here. Okay, that's good. We need that. We need that going. Because you need it. We're still missing this thermofluid. Okay, but that's just kind of starting. It's finally getting going, finally. Then we're still waiting on LDS and the cryonite rods, and we got those. Okay, well, we're just waiting on the couple last things then. Hopefully we can get some more thermofluid going, but that's actually one of the bottlenecks. Does this then have a bunch of, okay. Yeah, just steal this then. Thank you. Here you go. Okay, we don't really want this. Alright, hopefully that ramps the thermofluid up. Let's just make sure this is okay. Then let's check on the rocket one last time, hopefully. Maybe it's ready to get launched. 329. We could just go ahead and launch it, I think. It has the cryonite, or does it? You asked for 1,000. It has LDS. So we asked for more stuff. Let's just launch it. I think we're... It's fine. Let's go for it. Go ahead. Give me some early Christmas presents here. How is it doing though? It might not be... It might be like too full. Oh no, it's okay. I think it's okay. Yes. Hopefully the things get on that we need. Okay, 2 out of 3 actually already of the radio telescopes. Nice. Easy peasy. Just still thermofluiding. Still too many barrels. What? What's going on? Oh no, it's frozen. Why did it get frozen? What's on there? Oh, okay. This must be broken. Oops. Yes, that's what happened. Okay, but well, that'll eventually get fixed. Let's just throw on... Just do it over here, I guess. Wait. Ah, yes. There we go. That was important. There we go. Okay, we're almost done with this. Hopefully this works. We might see it work. Okay. Can you get rid of stuff? Yes. Hey, we got some of this going. We got this going. Scrap? Okay, you need to get rid of scrap. 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 50, sure. You will be fine. You're fine. You're doing good. You are something. Okay, astrometrics. Still waiting on all these random data cards, I think. We did put them on. X-ray, microwave, UV, visible, infrared. Which ones do we have? It seems like we have microwave, X-ray, and infrared. So then we need the UV invisible as all. So how are you guys? So how are you doing? What's wrong with them? You don't have them? UV invisible is only 2 and 3. But hopefully they're cranking out, which is probably they're just getting eaten. They're going at least. It's going at least. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait on that, I guess. We could try to steal some. We could try to just steal some astrometric data too. I don't know. I don't know if this isn't very good. But maybe we can see it going a little bit. Have this. Have that. Okay, so oh yes. Okay, so you need to change to this. It's a problem. One problem. Yes, and you're probably having the same problem. And you're going to have this problem. Yes. You're going, hey. Then you want to be the negative energy data, negative pressure. Okay, you also, okay, yeah, you have the junk data cards. Yes. Hey. Hey. We're going. We're producing these things, almost. Gravitational lensing data is not here. Okay, it is there. Gravitational lensing, and then that's from here, right? Then there's a couple of them. What's wrong? Just no astrometric data here because no UV data. Just going to kickstart this just a little bit. You deserve it. You guys deserve it. Come on, let's kickstart it a little bit. It's coming. Oh yes. We have it. We have it. It's happening. It is happening now. Astro Science, Astro Catalog, Level 3. Comprehensive. Just waiting on some dark matter data. And, okay, we can get this going again then. And I think this is fine. It's looking pretty good. Everything's going. And we have it. Comprehensive Astronomic Catalog exists. Awesome. Nice. Cool. We got them all. Wow. It's going to be a little bit of time before it ramps up all the way, but it is working. Hey, there we go. Cool. So, within, yes. Wow. We'll have to call the session here for sure. We did a lot today. Got the Astronomic Catalog 3, got LDS, beryllium scaffolding LDS. We built all the buildings for Astro Catalog 3. Boy howdy. Did we ever. So we can just turn this back on, why not? But then, yeah, so now we can just work our way through the technology now and start working towards finishing space elevators, doing all the other technologies, and yeah, we'll think about then getting to the spaceships and maybe doing I kind of want to replace the methane ice logistics with some sort of more robust space mining, asteroid mining logistics system. So that will be the shortest term goal. But then, yeah, I guess we'll see what happens next session. There you go, Factorio. I'm Paxton. I'll see you next time.